Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, one of my viewers has asked me that where to use ain't. Ain't. Guys, I must tell you, ain't is a slang, okay? It is not used in business English. You can come across this word mostly in English movies or maybe you're listening to English songs. So ain't, let's talk about ain't. See guys, ain't means it's a negative one. As you say, is not. Similarly, you can use ain't. So such an amazing thing is that one word ain't can be used for am not, is not, are not, have not, has not. Five things. It's such an amazing thing. So you can use ain't for negative and for these things. It means you can replace am not and use ain't. If I say that I am not a dancer, okay, so I'm saying I am not a dancer. So instead of saying I am not a dancer, I can say I ain't a dancer. I ain't a dancer. It means I'm not a dancer. Okay. If I have to say that this car is not attractive, so instead of saying this car is not attractive, I can say this car ain't attractive. Ain't attractive. So ain't means is not. Ain't means am not. Ain't means are not. Ain't means have not. Ain't means has not. So here you can use it. So if I say that I can show you this. If I say that this gate is not stylish, so instead of is not, I can say this gate ain't stylish. Ain't stylish. Okay. If I say these cars, there are so many cars you can see, these cars are not clean. So I can say instead of this, these cars ain't clean. Ain't clean. So did you understand what ain't is? Now you can also use ain't instead of have not. If I say that I have not got any car, I haven't got any car, in American English we say I haven't got any car. So instead of saying I haven't got any car, you can say I ain't. Instead of haven't, you can say ain't. I ain't got any car. I ain't got any car. If you want to use it in a present perfect, like I haven't had food. I haven't had food. So instead of it, you can say I ain't had food or I ain't eaten food. So I haven't eaten food. I ain't eaten food. Got it? Okay. She hasn't got any money. She hasn't got any money. You can say she ain't got any money. She ain't got. Got it? She hasn't come yet. She ain't come yet. She ain't come yet. So are you getting? So this is how ain't is used. But the problem with ain't is whenever you use a word nothing. Suppose I am saying that I haven't eaten and I have to use the word nothing or anything, then I would prefer anything. I haven't eaten anything. But when you say ain't, so English people say I ain't eaten nothing. This is absolutely wrong. But they use it. In songs also, in movies also, you can see I haven't got anything. I haven't got anything. So instead of it, the English people say I ain't got nothing. So instead of anything, they say nothing when they use ain't. Ain't is already negative and nothing is also negative. They put two negative. That is absolutely wrong. So you cannot use ain't in professional English. You cannot use it in email writing, in letter writing. But yeah, in order to understand English movies and English songs, if you learn ain't, it's okay. So this is what ain't is. I hope you must have understood. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this. Stay connected and keep practicing. Thank you guys.